All right, let's do this. New news. It's always cool when you got something kind of new and shiny, right? Other than my forehead or an opportunity, the shiny ball syndrome, they call it. If you're a member of LiveGood and you follow my channels, I'm a big fan. I'm doing quite well on LiveGood. And I'm about to tell you something that's finally debuted. And this is exciting news for us folks that have been in LiveGood for months and months. And Ben Glinsky, our CEO, along with Dr. Ryan Goodkin and his lovely wife, Lisa, they've been talking about just a new marketing system and new tools, so to speak, that you can maybe upload on Facebook or present to somebody that will get them interested in purchasing LiveGood products and maybe becoming a member so they get those products wholesale. And on top of that, become an affiliate for $40, one-time fee, two $20 bills. And maybe you can earn some money like I do and many other people. Ben, about a month ago, said, look, we're working on a survey that we're going to give to you that you and future potential peeps out there can fill out and get some really good advice about what they can do to improve their health. Okay? So this brand new questionnaire or survey, call it what you want, has finally debuted in your back office. So if you're watching my video, log in, and I'm going to show you my screen. And go to, let me show you on the side of mine, it says My Websites. Okay? Click that link, and you're going to go to this web page. Let me get my face out of the way here. So you'll recognize this, the LiveGood website. Okay, this is just a link that you can give to people for a nice general description about what LiveGood is product-wise and who we are and yada, yada. Now, the landing page, this is where I send everybody. Okay, this is how they can officially sign up with LiveGood as a member or an affiliate. Okay, it's your Powerline landing page. livegoodtour.com/Cory Draper. Now, this is nice because it's the same exact capture page, but it's in Spanish. Okay, tons of Spanish people out there. Man, oh man, how many people speak Spanish? Raise your hand. Uno, dos, tres. Okay, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, baby. Ocho. Nueve, and is it Diaz? Cameron Diaz. So anyway, this is good to give out to people that obviously live in probably, maybe, Spanish-speaking countries or neighborhoods, or just put it online. All right, there's millions and millions of people that appreciate this being in Spanish. Okay, so here's the English version, and then obviously here is the Spanish version. This is just the links you do, guys. Okay. Now, this is the retail site. This is a link you can give to people if you just want to retail the products and say, hey, this is Cory. I own a gym. I own a business online. And if you want to buy LiveGood products, click here. Okay. Now, here's the free questionnaire, the free survey, the free health report. Okay. And Dr. Ryan LiveGood, this handsome guy, he's going to do a little video, and I'll show you a little bit about it, okay? So just read here, my free health report site. Send people here to answer comprehensive health questionnaire and get free health assessment from Dr. Ryan. And once they complete it, they're given a free report, which you get in your email, because I just performed this. And then you can look into buying the products, either wholesale, retail, being a member, okay? This is how I became a member of LiveGood. Products first. I like Super Reds. I like Super Greens. The containers were 2 or 3 times bigger than Super Beets, and they're only $14, where a Super Beets was like 55 to 60. I could go on and on about the products. I'm a big fan. Okay, but I became an affiliate through Products First, and this questionnaire might help you do as such. So, see this line right here? It says myfreehealthreport.com/Cory Draper. The / is my username. So if you're already in LiveGood, obviously your username is going to be what it is after the /. So let's click the link. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to GoDaddy, get a real fun domain name, and I'm going to have GoDaddy forward to this exact link right here. And look at this, how well the website is. It's designed perfectly. It's not cluttered. I love even the colors. Watch this for a minute. Dr. Ryan just describes what the questionnaire is about. He does a really good job. He's really good on camera. The guy could easily be a spokesman or a model or a spokesmodel or maybe an actor. But yeah, he's really good. High five, Dr. Ryan. You do a really good job. Okay, read all this. Then just keep scrolling and just check out what it says. But right here, take the free questionnaire. And watch, I'll just take a couple questions here. Okay, what is your immediate health goal? Okay, build lean muscle. That's a tongue twister. Okay, I weigh about 215 to 220. I'm pretty strong right now. Lose body fat. I mean, I got a little bit of fat on my stomach. Just get healthier. I just want to get healthier, so click it. Now it goes to the next. Are you a male or a female? Well, I was born with a Wang Chung, so I'm going to be a male. What's my age? I'm almost 60, but I'm in my 50s. What's your height? I'm about 6'2". Hit next. Pounds. I weigh about 215-ish. Okay. So I put 215. Are you, oh wait, how active are you? Not really. I mean, I'm kind of active, but just moderate to not very. But I'm going to put not very because I'm kind of embarrassed at how little I exercise. How many hours per week do you exercise? I'm going to put probably less than an hour. Oh, okay. Well, I take that back. When I produce car shows with Blaine and Jill, I walk miles and miles. So I'll put 1 to 3. When you exercise, how hard do you work out? I do very lightly. I don't do like heavy weights and stuff. I just do stuff that tones. So I'm going to put kind of light. When not exercising, do you often have shortness of breath? You know, sometimes I do when I go upstairs, like walking. But if I'm just sitting here talking and yapping and stuff, no, I don't really have shortness. So I have high blood pressure? Not really. Sometimes it goes up, but mostly I've been very lucky. But I'm going to put no. Have you been diabetic or pre-diabetic? No. Okay. Do you have a family history of heart disease? No. Do you poop every day? Hell yeah, I love to poop. Do you suffer from low appetite? Oh, no, I love to eat. Okay, so it takes about 5 minutes to fill out the survey. And what's awesome is when it's done, it emails you everything. Nice and easy. It's like going to the doctor. And it just tells you everything. Okay, your blood pressure. What you can do to change things. Do you sit too much? Do you drink too much? You need to drink more. You sit. Do you? Yeah. There's certain products that LiveGood now sells. Since we have 35 to 40 products, we cover a lot of bases. Lose weight. Do you need more protein? Since I weigh about 215 to 220, I need about 215 grams of protein a day, and that's hard to do. That's why I'm a big fan of protein shakes, vanilla and chocolata. Okay? But anyway, you're going to love the questionnaire. It's super easy to zoom through the questionnaire that I just showed you on my screen, but you're going to dig the results. It's good. You sit there and you think, this makes sense. Look at the products. You know what it recommended for me? The product that got me into the company. First thing it said, you need Super Reds for circulation and whatnot. I was like freaking out going, I'm in the right company, man. Because the Super Beets, small little container, not bad product. It's not even organic. $60. LiveGood, jar, container, call it what you want. It's 2 or 3 times bigger. It's only $14, a couple bucks shipping, and it's organic. It's amazing that they recommended Super Reds as the first thing. I like Super Greens too. I recommend E3 for energy. The orgasmic coffee just makes you go like this with some mushrooms in it. But you guys check out LiveGood on your own. All right? That's the best way to do it. Just go to livegood.com. Or if you want to sign up, just go to joincory. All right? Put your name and email address in, and you'll get 30 emails over the next 30 days that tells you more information about LiveGood. Sign up or not, it's up to you. I'm just excited that you're going to get a nice questionnaire, and you're going to have Dr. Ryan give you a good assessment about what your condition is currently and how you can probably fix it with LiveGood products. It's free. It's easy. Okay. I just wanted to tell everyone out there that it's finally released. So good job, Ben Glinsky and Nodder, our VP of marketing. And of course, Dr. Ryan and Lisa. And Lisa's kind of cute. She's got a nice little rocking body. And so do you, Dr. Ryan. Your wife has a rockin' body and so do you. That's how you're politically correct in 2024. Compliment both the husband and the wife. All right, guys. Thanks for putting up with my smart assness, if that's such a word. And you check it out. Okay. I want you to go to my link. And how often do you wake up to urinate? Oh, about every hour. That's a yes. How are you typically on energy? I'm pretty good, but in the afternoon, sometimes I slow down. Okay. Well, anyway, I just want to answer the questions. They're fun. Okay, guys. If you need anything, get a hold of me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. You guys know the drill. And have a good day. I'll talk to you soon. I'm excited. The survey is going to really help a lot of people. Bye, guys.